What's up, boutique babies? Welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you could be reminded every time I upload. Now, I'm going to be reviewing this gel polish set from Voxury, and I will leave the link for their social medias and for this gel polish set down in the description index below. Now, they're kind enough to send me another nail polish set, and this is their Nude gel polish set, and it is 7-free, cruelty-free. I love these colors. I actually, because I've already recorded it, I kind of know what you all are in store for, so I'm so excited. So we're just gonna get right into it. Gonna take my little gold scissors and just get off this plastic here really quick. Now, it is a simplistic boxing, but you know, I really like the logo that they have on here. It is a newer logo. I know they've had it for like the last year or so, but I really appreciate the simplicity of the box. I like the black background with the white number 6 with the nail polish bottles in the background. Really pretty and simple. So straight to the point, really like that. I love how the bottles are black with the gold writing. They also put a little card in here to show you like questions that people may have had as far as how to best cure it, how to best lay it down, how many coats it needs, what type of lamp it requires, etc. So I actually really appreciate when they put stuff like this in there, because if you've never used gel polish before, it's very helpful to learn some of the tips and tricks that they send along with these bottles. So starting off, we have C113, and this is a beautiful like rosy nude color. Now, I have found that the colors seem to be a little bit lighter than the shade stickers on the top of the bottle, so I'll demonstrate that after each coat that I put down. Now, as you can see, this is one coat, y'all. Like, look at how pigmented this one coat is. You only need one coat with these gel polishes, seriously. And I'm not even using a lot. Like, sometimes you may say like, okay, one coat, that's pretty thick, it's not going to cure, but that's actually, I did a really thin coat and that's one coat cured. So now we're going in with C118. And again, the color seems to be a little bit lighter than the color on the lid, but that's okay. It's not too off from the shade on the top. So really digging these nude colors. These are perfect for reverse French designs, any type of simple nude set that you want to do, wedding nails, anything like that. Nudes are really popular right now, especially to do those like swirls on the background. This one here is C116. And again, another beautiful, gorgeous nude color. Look at how rich and pigmented these colors are. I literally only need one coat, and that's all I did on these. I did not go back in with a second coat. I really wanted to see if they truly all would be just like this, just the one coat, and that's it. So far, I am really digging these colors. This is C115. Now, it's okay in my opinion, it's all right that they're a little bit lighter than the lids, because it's just the way it goes. Sometimes you don't always get the color exact. But look at how pretty this nude is. It's like a rosebud nude. Beautiful. All these nudes here are perfect for all different types of skin tones. This one here is C117. These nudes would look gorgeous on just about anyone's skin tones, actually anyone's skin tones. There is a variety of nudes here, all the way from a light porcelain all the way to a darker mauve and in between. So I really love this nude collection by Voxury, or Rosalind, however you want to address them by. Now, I'm not sure exactly if it's Voxury that runs Rosalind or vice versa, but I know that it's Voxury that contacts me, so that's who I'm going to go by. This last color here was number C119, I believe. Let me just make sure. No, C114. I apologize. But look at how gorgeous. Now, they're not too off from the colors on the lids. They are just beautiful, and I just wanted to demonstrate the different types of techniques that you can use with using some of these nude colors. You know, you can go in with reverse French, you could go in with swirls, you can go in with half Frenches. There's all different types of designs that you can do, as I'm going to demonstrate for you. So this first one, I just literally did like the Frenchie at the tip, and that was it. The next one, I believe I did swirls on that. I know I do stars on one. I do a half French on another. I do a heart on the last one. And I believe that's it. Oh, and I do a Frenchie outline, I believe. But I just wanted to show you all. This isn't what I'm demonstrating, the designs at all. I just wanted to demonstrate the Nude gel polish kit, as Voxury has asked me to review this product for you. And these are my honest opinions. I give this set a 5 out of 5 or a 10 out of 10. I highly, highly, highly recommend this gel polish set. Look at the shine on them. Now they do have a tacky layer, so you will need to clean that when they come out, but look at how super shiny they are even before you clean them. I just find that to be so appeasing to the eye, you know, and I just can't get over how one coat and you're good. Like, that's just amazing, and that just cuts down on time so much, so that's good as well. Now, I'm going to let you finish watching the video from here on out. I hope you all enjoyed this review. Again, if you would like to pick up this set for yourself, it is very, very affordable and inexpensive. They are on Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description index below. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting it out for you. And if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I would greatly appreciate it if you did so. Don't forget to hit that bell so you could be reminded every time I upload. And I will see y'all boutique babies in my next one. I love you all so much. Smooches. Till the next one. Bye, guys and gals.